This IGA 2026 image presents a manufacturing IGA 2026 governance cockpit where operational performance is transformed into governed decision outcomes. Core production indicators OEE, output, downtime, and FPY, first pass yield, are positioned as executive-level signals rather than isolated shop floor metrics. The dedicated FPY vs scrap vs rework panel visually explains how quality stability directly influences production reliability, cost control, and delivery assurance. By integrating these metrics into a single governed view, the cockpit ensures that performance trends are interpreted within policy boundaries, not as standalone charts. Invented and architected by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, this cockpit enforces the IGA 2026 principle of models inform, engines govern, evidence assures. Forecasts and AI predictions remain strictly inform only, while analyzer-driven governance logic converts KPI, TSI, and OSI into a transparent pass/watch/fail verdict with full audit traceability. The reinforces that authority lies in governed systems and evidence, not individual discretion, making the cockpit suitable for auditors, plant leadership, and board-level manufacturing governance reviews. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.